Hey everybody, Colin with Buffalo Dent Repair, and today I have got a Chevy Cruze in here with a nice dent in the quarter panel. It goes right through the body line, but it shouldn't be a problem for us to fix it. What we're going to do is go ahead and take the tail light out here. That'll give us access to the back side to be able to get this dent back perfect. So let's go through the process and show you what we come up with. So now we've got the tail light out, and as you can see back here, there's a pretty large hole for access to be able to get a tool to the back side of this dent right here. So that access for this type of dent is really, really good. It's close to the dent and we can get a lot of different tools in there to be able to fix it. All right, we've got this Chevy Cruze all finished up. I'll flip it around and we'll show you what it looks like at the end.